321 cross-country service, formed of 6 coaches. Reading.
Reading?
Yeah. Now he's departing. Now they also advanced west because it's now departing. The way to. Also departing there is 397003. That's arriving in now. Look at that there, 397. And now is 4 coach 195. And also with the 195 is also an 8 coach cross country as well. Yeah, arriving in now is the 195. One at 5, 100. Pride of Cumbria logo. Also arriving in there is the cross country service. Also departing now is 397003. Just get a nice picture of that couplet over there. There goes the end of that 397. Is 150, I think coupled up with 156, and also arriving on platform 2 is 323. Looks like they're having a race down there. Departing, we do have an Advanced West Coast and a cross-country service. Cross-country is going to Reading, this Advanced West Coast is going to London Euston, so he's that one over there. And these two will both going to Manchester Piccadilly and then probably going back to Rosehill Marple. See if we can get to one of these. Arriving in now. He wants on there. 150, 123. Coupled up with another 150. Coupled up with 150, 150. Also arriving in there is 323, 323, 228. One of 3 coaches. Good Marvin. Now is 156 coupled up with 150 again. So many of these departing today and arriving. And the numbers are the 156, do not be able to get C, the 150 will be able to see. The numbers are the 150, 150, 148 on the way to Rosehill Marple from Manchester Piccadilly. Driving in now is Transfer 9 Express service. 2 formed of 5 coaches. Numbers are 397-008. Formed of 5 coaches. 56415. And as we do have arriving in is a 397 with Transfer 9 Express. This is a 156 coupled up with 150. 4 coacher. Now is a 4-coach in Northern, and the numbers are 150. The numbers are 150, 148, and also coupled up with a 156. On the way to Manchester Piccadilly from Rose Hill Marple. There you go, look at that lovely couple up there. +6. Manchester Piccadilly is 150. 2-coacher. Coming from Rose Hill Marple to Manchester Piccadilly. Here it is now. $150, 141. And at the back we have, let's see what number over the back. Also, 150, 141. Same carriage unit. 221, 136 and 221, 143 on the way to Reading. Arriving in now is 331. Numbers are 331 017. It's formed of 6 coaches. Also arriving in now is another Pendolinio. Avanti West Coast. There it is. Now is an 11-coach Avanti West Coast service. It is formed with class 390. There it is now arriving in. Everyone's on there. What's the pine there is a 195. Going to Newmill Central. Here comes the final carriage of the Avanti West Coast. 390, 141. Also behind there is a 6-coach 331. Numbers are 331 025 and 331 017. On the way to Manchester Airport from Lime Street. And the sound there by the Avanti West Coast. Piccadilly is class 390 for Avanti West Coast service. They're pop around the end of the platform. He's now arriving. Everyone's on there. Now if you look over there, we do also have the class 66 is bringing through freight carriages. It's coming from London Euston, and it is class 390. Formed of 11 coaches. Just run a little bit of an extra view there. That is the Drax. Also the party now is 323 239. Is 154 Transport for Wales. 150 283. Also the pie now is 150 134. The one's on there. And it is from 2 coaches. And also here we just also have the Avanti West Coast that's just arrived in. This will be all on the channel, this. Here it is now. That's the one I seen. You know the picture that I showed you on my watch, That's the one I seen. That's the one I finger. 1, 2, 4 culture. The 4 culture.
Now departing is an advanced West Coast on his way to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. £390 390 0 with lovely two-tone.